Good morning, engineering buddies. Here we go again on another set of engineering tutorials. So, nasa trigonometry tayo ngayon. No? So, let's continue on solving problems. So, I think problem 1, 2, 3. Problem number 5 na tayo. No? Find the value of sine 90 degrees plus A. So, madali lang to, no? Just to recall, the sum and difference of two angles. Ayan. Sin, cos, cosine. Okay. So, gagamitin natin siya dito. Di ba, just to recall, ayon sa sum of difference of two angles, sin x plus y is equal to sin x cosine y plus cosine x sin y. So, ang sin 90 plus a is just sin 90 cosine a plus cosine 90 sin a. Then, kung kabisado mo yung unit circle, ang malalaman na natin na itong sin 90 is 1. So, ito 1 to. Kasi itong cosine 90 is 0. Okay, you can use also your calculator. So, we can conclude that sin 90 plus a is just equal to cosine a. And that's our answer. Ganyan lang siya kadali. Okay. Ganyan. So, cosine a. Meron tayong iba pang solution para dito, no? So, another solution is we can assume value of a. So, let's say ang a is 2 degrees. You can use any values, no? Just refrain from using 0 and 1. So, let's say na ang sin 90 plus 2 is sin 92 degrees. So, sa calculator, sin 92 is 0.99390. Then, isa-isahin mo yung given. So, sa letter A, cosine A daw is cosine 2. So, machi-check mo dyan. Sige, pakita na rin natin sa calculator. Cosine 2 is the same, 0.99390. So, makikita nyo dito is equal lang sila. Okay? So, if you forgot in the identity, you can use the given by using substitution. You can substitute any values. And then, substitute mo siya sa given para dapat mag-arrive sila sa same answer. Okay? Isa sa mga board exam techniques. Okay, next. If x plus y is equal to 90 degrees, then sin x tangent y all over sin y tangent x is equal to, sige, ano bang given sa atin? Di ba meron daw tayong x plus y is equal to 90 degrees? Pwede tayong kumuha dito ng values. So, let's say, kuha tayo ng values ng y in terms of x. Then, substitute here sa given na sin x tangent y all over sin y tangent x. So, magiging y is equal to 90 minus x. Then, yung given natin na sin x tangent, palitan natin tong 90 minus x all over sin 90 minus x tangent x. Yan, magiging ganyan. Next. Ito, tandaan nyo na guys, ang tangent 90 minus x is just equal to cotangent of x. Okay? Then itong sine 90 minus x is just equal to cosine x. Ito, pwede nyo expand itong sine 90 minus x using sum and difference of two angles, ito. Then you will arrive na simplifying, makukuha nyo si cosine x, same as tangent 90 minus x. Okay? So, kahit di ko na siya ipakita, guys, you can explore it. Pero, you can memorize it na lang. So, sine x, cotangent x is equal to cosine x, tangent x. And then, alam natin na ang sine x over cosine x is tangent x. Okay? So, tangent x, cotangent x is equal all over tangent x. So, ito, makakancel. Yan, makakancel siya. So, ang sine x tangent y over sine y tangent x is just equal to cotangent x. So, ito rin sagot natin, cotangent x. Siya na lang natira which is letter C. So, gana ba dito yung tinuro ko kanina na substitute any values? Sabi kasi dito, if x plus y is equal to 90 degrees, then something, try natin. So, let's say na x is 70 degrees, y natin is 20 degrees, then substitute the value. So, di ba, sine 70, tangent y, tangent 20, all over sine 20, tangent 70. So, pwede tayo makakuha ng values niyan. Kung nakalimutan mo yung mga identities ulit, pwede mong gamit sine 70, tangent 20, all over sine 20, tangent 70. So, meron kang 0.363970. 0.363970. So, gamitin na natin itong cotangent of x. Cotangent of x, cotangent 70. Paano ba yung cotangent? Edi 1 over tangent lang. Tama ba? O arctan pala yun. Sige. Yun. 1 over tangent 70 is also equal to 0.363970. Which is pareho lang na value. So, yan. Gana pa rin dito yung substitution kapag nakalimutan mo ang paggamit ng identity. So, explore the values, explore the given para yan. Gana pa rin siya. Kaya ako guys, hindi ko na actually sa board exam, hindi na ako, kinabisado ko lang yung mga basic na tas derive na lang. Tapos, ang pinaka-inano ko talaga is substitution talaga. Since may mga choices naman, you can use the choices. You will arrive on the same answer naman. Okay? So, meron pa tayong couple of problems after this. So, for more engineering tutorials, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And don't forget to hit the bell button para updated tayo sa mga future pa nating tutorials. So, yan. Let's keep learning. Happy learning. And padayon, engineers.